So we've got a truck here for sale. It was in here, it's been in here for about a year now. He was having it done, but the guy who owns this is in a very bad way, bless him. Probably not going to survive. So this is up for sale. He's after 15,000. I mean, it's filthy at the moment. It's going to get all cleaned back up, scrubbed up. It has got a box, but it is not the best. So for 15 grand, it'll all be scrubbed back up. It had water leaks, so this is why the back end was took off. So it's all going to get stripped out. It'll all be cleaned, stripped out, all repanelled. At the back, it's got windows, so it's sort of there. It just needs a new back panel, and then the inside it just wants re-insulation. So it's done like a lorry. So it's done through the wood and GRP. So it's an ex-lorry body and it's been chopped. It's not like mine, but you've got you've got doors. I think he has got some windows and bits over there. I'm not sure if they're all to do with, so I'm not sure, but there's a few bits and bobs to go. I think the door had a caravan door on it. I think it was knackered, but I'll leave a phone number in description. So it's solid underneath, as in all DAFs are. Good old DAFs. He's got everything. It's all fully road registered as well. Now I don't know if it's 7.5 ton it's registered as that. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's got everything's on. Tyres are probably not. They're not the sort of 10-year. Like I always say with all DAFs, replace all these. They're only 200 quid for a complete new, bigger tank. Like mine, it comes right out to here because these rust. But yeah, she's not bad. She had a bit of repair there. Again, grind all that down, smooth it in. I put a plate of alley on mine. Is it open? Oh, we are open. She needs a good scrub out. Let's go and have a look on the other side. Oh, that sounds better than my door. Oh, we are open. Let's have a look at the clocks. Can we see anything on there? Can't really see if it's... What we have? 37. It could be kilometres. Yeah, it's in kilometres, I think. So 37,000 kilometres. Oh, it's had electrics put in, 12 volt system put in. Actually, seats in good nick. So yeah, she's sort of clean, solid in here. Just covered in cobwebs. It just never got fixed. You've got the toolbox. There's some keys in there. Don't know what under there. Oh, looks like it could be another spare lock. So yeah, like I say, I'll put Andy's phone number into this. Give him a ring. He'll tell you more about it. Like I say, he'll scrub it all up. It's had the LED lights fitted as well. Mine's just past its MOT. So it's got all the LED lights. Apparently it's a good runner. It was bought local actually. He did pay 15 for it. But yeah, like I say, she's just grubby. It's already got a box fitted. Just wants tarting. So to be honest, for a truck with a box on, it's not too bad. Get a roof rack on. It could actually. He has got a spare roof rack here, which could possibly cut down. You never know. You could ask him. But Andy's also happy if you have a chat with him. He might do some extra work on it, like insulating it and fit stuff if you need to, if he's got time. So, but yeah, like I say, the back, it just needs resealing. It was leaking in these joints here, so they ripped it all off, ripped everything out inside. They was going to start fresh, and then bless him, the guy got really poorly. I think that's my seat there. That's my seat to go in the back of the truck, because I'm going to have 3 seats. There is a bigger tank there. I don't know. Again, I don't know what's staying with it, but you can always chat. But yeah, just needs. Oh, there's another one up there. Didn't realise, another skylight. But yeah, they're okay. They don't leak. Windows aren't leaking. It's just, it was more this back end, and I think it was that door. I'll get a bigger picture back here. I think that's why they put that rail up there originally, because I think it stopped it from dripping down. But you can use that, put a little awning on it on the back if you need to. But yeah, it's got lights in the top. But yeah, if someone's looking for a quick cheap build and you're quite handy, you're doing a bit of DIY, you've all the expense of having a box built and fitted I've done. So it is a little bit higher, so I think it's 8 foot, as you can see. But you know, to get cheap on the road, as soon as you put a roof rack on here, it soon fills that gap up, and then it'll look like that. So yeah, anything you need to know, like I say, I'll put Andy's phone number in, just tell him you've seen it online, and he'll answer any questions. He knows more about it. I said I'll just help him try and move it on, because the guy needs the money to pay for medical treatment. He's trying to go private, to try and, I think he's got cancer and stuff, but he wants to go private to try and cure it.